Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Speak English with Fahad. I am Hafsa Mubin and from today we are starting our mathematics series for CSS. And here is our first lecture. First of all, I will tell you what is mathematics. It's an abstract science of numbers, quantities, geometry and forms. We'll start from basic mathematics, and the first topic we'll study is number system. In number system, I will tell you about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational numbers, even and odd numbers, prime numbers and composite numbers. So the first one is natural number. This set of natural numbers is represented by capital N. It is also known as counting numbers. And a set of natural numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to so on. The next one is whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is represented by capital W. It is a set of natural numbers with the addition of 0. यानी कि इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड अप टू सो ऑन ये सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स होते हैं और 0 एज ए होल नंबर इसमें ऐड होते हैं. एवरी नेचुरल नंबर इज अ होल नंबर, बट एवरी होल नंबर इज नॉट नेसेसरली अ नेचुरल नंबर. दैट मीन्स कि 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड अप टू सो ऑन दीज ऑल आर आल्सो नेचुरल नंबर एज वेल एज होल नंबर्स, बट 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. The next topic is integers. Integers are represented by capital Z. All whole numbers and their negatives are known as integers. Capital Z is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and on the left side it has -1, -2, -3, -4 and up to so on. Only whole numbers are integers. Therefore, fractions, decimals, percents and exponents can never be integers. Categories of integers. The first category of integer is positive integers. That means the set 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on is a set of all positive integers. Negative integers. The set -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and up to so on is a set of all negative integers. The next one is non-negative integers. See, non-negative integers is actually the positive integer with the addition of 0. The set 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on is the set of all non-negative integers. The next one is rational number. Rational numbers are represented by capital Q. It means that the number that can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Now understand these three conditions. The first one is that can be written in the form of P by Q. That means the number that can be written in the form of fraction, and P, numerator and denominator are integers, but the denominator should not be equal to 0. Why it should not be equal to 0? Because everything over 0 gives an answer that is infinity, and infinity is not a number in mathematics. For example, 4 over 7, 0 over 1. 0 can be in numerator but not in denominator. -2 by 3. The next one is irrational numbers. The numbers that cannot be written in the form of P by Q are known as irrational numbers. For example, square root of 2, square root of 3 and pi. We cannot write these three numbers in the form of fractions. Now we'll study the definitions of rational and irrational numbers in the context of terminating and non-terminating decimal, recurring and non-recurring decimals. So first of all, terminating decimal. Terminating decimals are the decimals which have finite numbers after point. For example, 1 over 2 is equal to 0.5. It has just one number after point. 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. It also contains just one number after point. The next one is non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals are the decimals having infinite numbers after point. For example, 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333 and up to so on. We cannot count these three. Square root of 2, that is equal to 1.4142135623 and up to so on. We also cannot count these numbers after point. The next definitions we are going to study is the recurring or repeating decimals. Recurring or repeating decimals have repeating numbers after point. For example, 1 by 3 is equal to 0.333 and up to so on. That means the number 3 is repeating many times. So it is a recurring or repeating decimal. or 0.12535353 and up to so on. That means it can be blockwise repetition. That for example, it's 535353 are the numbers that are repeating. The next one is non-recurring or non-repeating decimals. Non-recurring or non-repeating decimals do not have any repetition. For example, square root of 2, that is equal to 1.4142135662. These numbers don't have any kind of repetition. 3.141518197623 and up to so on. These numbers also do not have any kind of repetition. Now the definitions of rational and irrational numbers in the context of recurring and non-recurring, terminating and non-terminating decimals. So first of all, rational numbers are either terminating और recurring decimals. That means rational numbers होंगे वो या तो ऐसे होंगे जो पॉइंट के बाद टर्मिनेट हो रहे होंगे या पॉइंट के बाद अगर इनफाइनाइट है तो वो रिपीट हो रहे होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/3 is equal to 0.333 and up to so on. This is recurring irrational number. 3/2 is equal to 1.5. This is a terminating rational number. Irrational numbers are the non-terminating or non-recurring decimals. That means जो irrational numbers होते हैं वो ना तो terminate हो रहे होते हैं या फिर उनमें कोई भी repetition नहीं होती. For example, pi is equal to 3.141592653589 and up to so on. इसमें ना तो कोई किस्म की repetition हो रही है और ना ही कोई भी number जो है वो ये point के बाद वाले numbers terminate हो रही है. The next example is 1.414246789654 and up to so on. These numbers also do not have any kind of repetition or these are not terminating. This is all for today's lecture. Your questions are warmly welcomed. Please ask question in comment box and I will try to respond as well as possible. Thank you.